For all of my videos, courses, and presentation, I also create a conclusion slide. In conclusion session, what conclusion session is? It's a session we speak about everything that we do and everything I try to make you understand. What we understand from this presentation, I want to give you a little hint how don't say professional, a beginner, how a beginner create a presentation. What I do in this presentation is creating a professional template like a beginner for everyone to understand. And I hope you all understand what I try to make and what the point of creating this presentation is. I want you to understand how a beginner could also easily, with spending time, I can create this presentation under 2 hours or 1 hour. How can a beginner create something that he created, not AI created or anything else, and he has some kind of ownership of this presentation and he or she proud of ourselves for creating something like this? I want to give you this kind of emotion and I hope you understand also, but I want you to not end up here. I want you to resume your work and try to be better and better and better. And don't forget, by trying, the perfection has been created. But this is it. You can present it everywhere you want. And if you want, ask me. I will create a channel in the Telegram and put this presentation there for the usage of you if you like it and want it. But if you don't need it, I'm not going to create a channel. Don't forget, if you need anything, ask me in the comments. I will answer you. I will always be ready to help you. And don't forget, if you like and subscribe, make me very happy and I appreciate that. That really makes me happier than ever. Okay, I don't have anything to say, but the course is not ended here. We are going to create more professional things and better things in the next slides. Until then, have a nice time.